linked up with Big Bro, man. And I had to get laced up with some gear, you know what I'm saying? I told you I was gonna go back to cycle gear, but we just got out of there, you know what I'm saying? Cupped up me, you know what I'm saying? Couple jerseys, man. But I'm about to, I said, man, I'm about to just throw it right on this hot outside. It's like, I feel like it's like 80 right now. I want y'all to come on the journey with me to 12 o'clock. Dang, crazy. So I'm about to throw him on. See, that boy spiffy now. You know what I'm saying? I can ride with the gang now. I can ride with the gang. Everybody had jerseys except me. Not no more, you know what I'm saying? We queen out here, we queen out here, we queen. I was at Cycle Gear with Big Bro, you feel me? Copped up 2 jerseys, you feel me? But we not there no more. Wheelie practice day 4, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm about to get straight into it because it's about to rain in like, probably like 20 minutes.